Hi, I'm Bill Ritchie. Welcome to the mini gallery in Seattle where we have many Halfwood presses and the new Pram Halfwood Press. I want to talk about a feature of the press, which is the synchronized top roller pressure setting. You see, I can turn one handle and both handles move. The top roller is going down as I turn it clockwise. There's a chain connecting the two, a little stainless steel chain. But I want to add to that fact that you need to use both hands when you're really cinching down on the pressure. When you've loaded the felts into the press and you're putting the pressure on, you don't just use one hand to put the final pressure on. When you're getting the most pressure on, you should use two hands, because there's no reason to put undue strain on that little stainless steel chain. It's very strong, but why take chances? That's the main thing about setting the pressure on the Pram Halfwood Press with synchronized pressure screws. Another feature I want to talk about is the PressGhost. And to do that, I'll take it over to the computer to show how this memory stick can be used to add to your knowledge about printmaking. The PressGhost is a feature of the new lines of Halfwood presses. It's a memory stick that holds 4 gigabytes of memory, or we could put in more, but 4 gigabytes is a lot of computer space for memory. On this particular press, number 103, it's a push-button style. Press the button down, swivel it out. You can feel for a detent button that brings out the connector. And you may have to hold the detent button when you're plugging it in. Otherwise, so if you don't hold it, it sometimes pushes it in. So find the detent button and then plug it in with the extension cable that comes with the press. The computer right away notices that there's a new device, and I'm using Internet Explorer to use the PressGhost, because the PressGhost at this point is laid out just like a web page, and so you use Internet Explorer or whatever your favorite browser is to go through and explore the parts of the PressGhost. So in the following few minutes, I'll show you what the features of the PressGhost are. So that's the PressGhost for this Pram number 103. And if I want to go back to work or take the press back into my other area, I just unplug it, put the memory stick back, and I'm done. I might mention too that the felt blankets, the new felt blankets, come with the Pram 103. I'm Bill Ritchie, and I thank you for watching this.